YungBartTV.
Okay, y'all, so I'm about to head downstairs and clean out the fridge now that our kitchen is back up and running after what seems like 2 full years. Wink, wink. I can finally clean the fridge out and go grocery shopping and get some new stuff. So just stick with me and we're gonna see where it goes. All right, y'all, so I ain't been in this fridge in quite some time, so we're just gonna see how bad it's looking. Yeah, everything gotta go. Ain't none of this staying. Okay, y'all, so I gotta take a little break because the bag got heavy, but god dang, some of this stuff was looking real beginning of the year-ish. Like, I saw some yogurt that said April 2021. Damn, gotta be more careful. Okay, y'all, now that that filthy shit is gone, now it's time to deep clean the fridge. That's the funnest part. Just kidding, ain't nothing fun about this whole assignment. Keep the salmon. Salmon is good, y'all. We ain't gonna throw out the salmon because, you know, it's salmon and don't let nothing wrong with it. With all this other shit, you gotta go. Oh no, it's good for a whole nother year. Cauliflower. Oh, she good for another 6 months. Cookies. Smell like a straight up freezer. Gotta go. I don't care if it do say February 2023, you getting out of here in 2022. Hell no. This shit look like it had mold growing in it. Some waffles, things in the freezer, everything else gotta go. Alright, so we were able to keep some stuff from the freezer. It ain't none of my stuff, but you know, still. It's savable. It got like another 6 months, maybe a year, but we about to go grocery shopping and bring this fridge back to what it should have been. So how did I do, y'all? What you think?
Yeah, looks pretty good, actually.
Well, that's don't actually live here.
Right, but now we just gotta do better with maintaining our food. Earlier, I saw some shit from 2020 in there.
Jesus Christ.
How is that even possible?
I'll wipe this shit down. I'm sorry, that's what bothered me.
All right, y'all, so that's all for today's vlog. My fridge is back looking nice and squeaky clean as it should have been. It's part of the project. My kitchen's back to normal. Now I can start cooking again. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, share my channel with all your peers.
YungBartTV.